I did a video on the current tax law Nigerians will have to comply with from 2026 and above. And since then, I've been getting questions like, how can we avoid this kind of tax? In reality, you cannot avoid paying tax, because for every withdrawal you do, you pay tax. For every transfer you do, you pay tax. For every item you buy online, you pay tax. If you get interest on your savings in the bank, you pay tax. If you gain contract, you pay 10% tax. If you buy any item, there's what they call custom duty tax. So you cannot avoid tax as far as you're a human being. When the government tax companies are built to make profit. So instead of companies paying this tax, what they do to maximize their profit is they can reduce the quantity of production, keep up with their profit level, and shift down the tax to the last consumer of the product. So in general terms, you cannot avoid paying tax. So the intelligent question to ask is, this current taxation policy, how can I minimize the tax I'm paying? That would be a good question to ask. How can I reduce the quantity of tax I'll be paying? So I'll be giving a little idea on how you can reduce the tax you pay. For me, I would suggest first you convert your side hustle into a business and register it not just as a business name but as a limited liability company. Now, after register your side hustle as a limited liability company, you open a corporate account for your limited liability company. The third thing you do is to structure your limited liability company. Have at least 2 staff, one accountant and another staff that, as the case may be, but there should be an accounting officer, somebody to help you keep track of your income and expenses every day with this your current side hustle. The current Nigeria law states that a limited liability company can just have one founder. So it's possible that you can be the CEO, everything in a limited liability company. So the way out is to have a limited liability company that has a corporate account and is structured very well, so that at the end of the year, if your your income in your corporate account is not greater than 50 million naira, you are exempted for paying tax. So that's the proper way out. Now, I also have another idea I would love to share, but if you're interested, you can hit me and I'll share with you. My name is Ara Joseph. I am the founder of Blue Rose Academy. As usual, take care.